Hi, this is Dr. Graves with the CSUN Geography Department. This is a quick video tutorial to help students that want to learn how to use AI to help build a structured observation tool. And in this case, we're going to build something in ESRI's tool called 123 Connect. What I have concocted for you is an assignment in which you are to go into the field, or at least this is a practice observation tool, to look at dogs. Consider it maybe a trip to the dog park in which you will try to build into a survey instrument observations about a dog. And I've built for you a prompt that you can read through or even cut and paste into ChatGPT or perhaps another AI platform, and you will essentially ask us to create a survey instrument that is ready for Survey 123 using these kind of prompts. The idea is that you practice on this, the dog observation, and then turn it to use or to modify it eventually, the process, to observe other things in the field like we do in Geography 404, which includes things like disorder on the landscape, the fear response, various architectural styles, housing types, the quality of the walking environment, the quality and the characteristics of the public transit environment, and it's just a survey instrument. So there are several steps for this. The first of which is the software that you need to complete the assignment. One, here you will click on Survey 123 Connect, and what that will do is it'll take you to this software that's PC only. So if you don't have a laptop, you'll have to do this in the lab here on campus or somewhere else that has a PC with that loaded on. So you install Survey 123 on your computer, and then you will eventually need Survey 123 on your smartphone, and it is friendly to both Apple and Android platforms, and I suppose even other platforms that you might find yourself using. So how do we do this? Well, this is I'm going to walk you through this, and we'll see what we get. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a new tab here, and I'm going to simply type in Survey 123 without the connect, and that's going to bring us to ArcGIS Survey 123, and you know the routine here. One needs to log on and probably deal with Duo push most of the time, and here's some of the things that I've done. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and we'll start from scratch. Here's one that I built about walking into a supermarket or convenience store and being able to tell the difference apart based on the characteristics of the supermarket or the food retailer. So we're going to click on New Survey here, and the interfaces on these seem to look slightly different sometimes, and we want to do Survey 123 Connect is the option. If you want to build one from scratch or with a bit of if you have already a feature layer that you want to modify, you can do this. But for our purposes this semester, we're going to go with Survey 123 Connect, which is really the easiest one. I'm going to click Get Started, and it will prompt us, download survey 123 Connect. We will design and publish it. So I already have downloaded this, and so it is at this point prompting me really to load survey 123 Connect, which is this piece of software here. Click on new survey here. The idea is to create a blank one from a file, and this is the Excel form file that we downloaded, or you will download. We go back here. From here, if you want to use the one that I've already done, or if you want to, you can paste this prompt here into ChatGPT, and it will create this number 3, the digital field observation tool to use with 123 Connect. So back over to 123 Connect, and I just have to find this file. Where did I save it? Well, I put it in Documents and ArcGIS, Projects, Graves, 404, and this is the survey for dogs, and this is it. So wherever you saved your survey generated by ChatGPT, or the one that you just downloaded from Canvas, find it and open it and click Create Survey. It really is as simple as that. And it's basically ready to go. This is what the form itself looks like that was downloaded. This was generated entirely by ChatGPT, and you can, modify this. These are the survey questions here on the survey part, and then the choices that are available in the survey are here. So the color of the dog, that was called color type. That was the different colors of dogs: brown, white, golden, gray, spotted, mixed, and other. And they show up here in the name of the question, which is color type. Where is it? Coat length, color. Oh, there it is. And their breed, type, age, and then these all appear in the form as questions. If you click on details here, if you want to add an image, then go to image files, grab something you like. We can make this, use maybe that CSUN thing as our title, and maybe give it a name like dog survey form, and type in something here in the summary or the description. And once you have that, click update and publish survey. Now it's creating something in the cloud, and after a minute or so you'll have a survey that you can use on your app, on your Survey 123 app, or that you can share with the public. Okay, now after it's been published, you'll notice there's 3 dots underneath publish, and it calls for more action. And there's the web app. I'm gonna first click on the show QR code, and you can link that to the clipboard. You'll definitely want to copy and paste that in a doc form, a document that you will send to your instructor to be graded. You could also copy the clipboard, but let's open it in the Field app. Well, hold on. Let's see. Open in the web app. This is what it'll look like, and this is sort of what it'll look like on the phone. So this is your survey at the dog park. It shows me at California State University at Northridge, and the types of, here are the questions that can be answered. So this will be your assignment. I think you ought to start with the dog survey form and then consult with your instructor about the other kinds of survey forms that you will be asked to build during the semester for your course. And that ends this short video on how to create a survey using ChatGPT or AI and Survey 123.